The Morning Story. Every morning I wake up, hit the snooze button on my alarm clock. Few minutes later it rings again. Think time will never be my friend. Then I go to the bathroom. I would like to be all morning. But I go downstairs and there's usually no time for breakfast. Still thought I would have said to myself, get up earlier tomorrow. Oh, it's my morning story. There's no one I can blame. It's my morning story. Every day it is the same. Every day it is the same. Whoa. Whoa. No, I take my school bag, which I packed the night before. And just before I leave the house, I spray myself with perfume. How quickly I pour on the shoes, take my color out of my hair, put on my jacket and jump to the bus. It already comes in 3 minutes. Still thought I would have said to myself, get up earlier tomorrow. Oh, it's my morning story. There's no one I can blame. Yeah, it's my morning story. Every day it is the same. Every day it is the same. Yeah. As I arrive at the bus stop, my hair is messed up again, and the bus arrives 5 minutes late. All is just like every day. Oh, it's my morning story. There is no one I can blame. Yeah, it's my morning story. Every day it is the same. Yeah, it's my morning story. There's no one I can blame. Oh, it's my morning story. Every day it is the same. Every day it is the same. And every day it is the same. And every day it is the same. It is the same.